a real
meme.
Well,
Oh no, man.
Have you ever caught a good guy like a real
CJ.
nah.
Why the nigga?
Have you ever tried
Cheese.
Nah.
All right, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be
Big Smoke.
Now listen closely.
What's up?
Here's a little lesson in smokery. This is going down in mystery. If you wanna be a
Lord
number
nine.
one, you have to chase a
CJ.
on the run.
Can't catch me, bitch.
Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound.
No, don't do it.
CJ! Seven.
Now look at the cheese that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw.
Do it.
All we had to do was throw the damn cheese, CJ.
Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the
Dip.
You slip and slide on this.
Extra dip. What the fuck? Oh no! Oh shit!
We are number
6 extra dip. Why the nigga?
If you don't, somebody will.
Cousin, I have not hung out with you in a long time. How about we go bowling?